Welcome to the Daily Avocado, where we aim to empower you with practical health tips you can use daily. Today's video is all about two ancient powerhouse spices that you won't want to miss. From natural ways to boost your energy, to small changes in your daily routine, our videos are designed to keep your mind and body thriving. A recent study from UCLA shocked researchers when they discovered that a specific combination of ginger and turmeric outperformed leading anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing chronic inflammation markers. But here's the kicker: this isn't some new scientific breakthrough. Ancient civilizations have been using this exact combination for over 5,000 years to prevent disease and extend life. I'm about to reveal the precise daily ritual that's helped thousands of people reduce their inflammation by up to 60%, boost their immune system naturally, and protect themselves from chronic diseases that plague modern society. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple step-by-step protocol that takes less than 5 minutes a day but could add years to your life. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Most people think ginger and turmeric are just cooking spices, but they're actually two of nature's most potent medicines. Ginger contains over 400 bioactive compounds, with gingerol being the superstar that gives it that distinctive kick. Meanwhile, turmeric houses curcumin, a compound so powerful that pharmaceutical companies have spent millions trying to replicate its effects synthetically. But here's where it gets interesting. When you combine these two powerhouses, something magical happens at the cellular level. They create what scientists call a synergistic effect, meaning their combined power is greater than the sum of their parts. Think of it like a superhero team-up where each hero makes the other stronger. The science behind this combination is absolutely fascinating. Ginger acts as a natural enhancer, increasing the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without ginger, most of the turmeric you consume gets processed out by your liver before it can do its job. It's like having a key that unlocks turmeric's full potential in your body. Now, let me walk you through what happens in your body when you make this combination a daily habit. Within the first week, you'll notice reduced joint stiffness and improved mobility. This happens because both compounds target inflammatory pathways at the source, literally turning off the genes responsible for chronic inflammation. During weeks 2 through 4, something remarkable occurs in your digestive system. Ginger stimulates digestive enzymes while turmeric supports healthy gut bacteria. Many people report improved digestion, reduced bloating, and better nutrient absorption during this phase. By month 2, your immune system begins operating at peak efficiency. Studies show that regular consumption of this combination increases white blood cell activity and enhances your body's natural defense mechanisms. You'll likely notice you're getting sick less often and recovering faster when you do. The long-term benefits are where this daily ritual truly shines. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers often begin with chronic inflammation. By consistently reducing inflammation in your body, you're essentially building a fortress against these conditions. Let me share the exact daily ritual that maximizes these benefits. The timing and preparation method are crucial for optimal absorption and effectiveness. Start your morning with the golden elixir. Combine 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in 8 ounces of warm water. Add a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of raw honey. The black pepper contains piperine, which further enhances absorption, while honey provides natural antimicrobial properties and makes the mixture more palatable. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing ensures maximum absorption when your digestive system is most receptive. For your afternoon dose, prepare a ginger turmeric tea. Simmer fresh ginger slices with turmeric root in water for 10 minutes. Strain and add lemon juice and a small amount of coconut oil. The healthy fats in coconut oil help your body absorb the fat-soluble compounds in turmeric. Evening is perfect for incorporating these spices into your dinner. Add fresh ginger and turmeric to stir-fries, curries, or soups. Cooking with these spices not only enhances flavor but also makes certain compounds more bioavailable through heat activation. Now, let's address some common mistakes people make that drastically reduce effectiveness. First, never use just turmeric alone without ginger or black pepper. Second, avoid taking these spices with iron supplements, as they can interfere with absorption. Third, always use organic sources when possible, as conventional spices may contain harmful pesticide residues. Quality matters immensely. Fresh ginger root should feel firm and have smooth, tight skin. High-quality turmeric powder should be vibrant orange-yellow and have a strong, earthy aroma. If possible, use fresh turmeric root, which contains higher concentrations of active compounds. Some people worry about side effects, so let's address this head-on. These spices are generally safe for most people, but there are important considerations. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, consult your healthcare provider first, as both ginger and turmeric have natural blood-thinning properties. People with gallstones should avoid large amounts of turmeric, and those with acid reflux might need to start with smaller doses of ginger. The beauty of this ritual lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Unlike expensive supplements or complicated protocols, this combination uses ingredients you can find at any grocery store. The total daily cost is less than what most people spend on a single cup of coffee. Here's something most people don't realize: consistency trumps quantity every time. It's better to have a small amount daily than large amounts sporadically. Your body needs time to build up therapeutic levels of these compounds, and regular consumption maintains optimal concentration in your system. As you begin this journey, keep a simple health journal. Note changes in energy levels, sleep quality, joint comfort, and overall well-being. Most people notice initial improvements within the first week, but the most profound benefits develop over months of consistent use. This ancient wisdom, now backed by modern science, offers you a natural path to better health. 2 simple spices, used correctly and consistently, can become your daily defense against inflammation and disease. The power has always been there, waiting in your kitchen cabinet. Start tomorrow morning with your first golden elixir, and begin unlocking the ancient power that could transform your health forever. Remember, every little step counts toward a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on nutrition and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and explore our other context for additional tips and insights that can help you on your journey to better health. Together, let's embrace the power of turmeric and ginger with the help of pepper and honey.